Greetings from the Empire State, and this is a Central Park, New York City look on November 12th. Definitely one of the most iconic areas of the Big Apple to see the autumn colors. Let's take a walk across.
I didn't even speak any English.
Bow Bridge. Now this is the week after peak autumn colors. Peak autumn colors are always here, from my experience, the day of the New York City Marathon, which is the first weekend of November, right after Halloween. But we still have some great colors. And you see some people are out in shorts and tank tops. It's almost 70 degrees today. And let's take a walk across Bow Bridge. It was listed this year for the state of New York that the color display lasted a total of 9 weeks. Some years the color display has been 11. This year was a short autumn season, but iconically beautiful. How's that? And there would be the San Remo behind what's left of autumn colors.
Ever.
I'm getting it.
Here's a close-up. Now what's great about this area is you do get the reds, the yellows, some that still stay green. It's a good mix here, as well as the small brush shrubs pick up their own colors. Now today really is saying goodbye to the autumn season, as the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree arrived today. It's still technically autumn, but when the leaves have fallen and the tree arrives, it starts to feel a little bit like winter in the Big Apple. Continue our walk just a little bit more, give you another angle view of the Bow Bridge. And what a great place to sit. Till next time, happy autumn from New York Loves Fall.